Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Tech. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can convert BTC to USDT on Binance. Alright, if even if you want to convert to other method, you can still use to other coin. I mean to say you can still use the same method. Alright, so please, if in case you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment, you share, and you like. Alright, please subscribe. Okay, so let's just keep watching the video. Make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end to learn exactly how you can convert BTC to USDT or USDT to BTC and vice versa. All right, let's go there.